Meanwhile, the International Court of Justice is all set to rule on the case filed by Gambia against Myanmar, accusing it of genocide and ethnic cleansing against the Muslim minority Rohingya population. The ruling deals with Gambia's request for immediate emergency measures such that conditions of Rohingyas in Myanmar do not worsen. Now, this, of course, comes a month after Myanmar's civil leader and also Nobel Peace Laureate Aung San Suu Kyi travelled to The Hague to defend the 2017 crackdown by her nation's army. This is the military of a nation that resorted to what was described by the United Nations as genocide and ethnic cleansing in the Rakhine province. In fact, Aung San Suu Kyi asked the 17-judge panel to drop the case altogether. This while she conceded that disproportionate military force may have been used and civilians killed, but also asserted that the acts, according to her, who is a Nobel Peace Prize winner, did not constitute to be a genocide. Now, Gambia filed the suit in November alleging that Myanmar was committing an ongoing genocide against the Rohingyas. Remember, both Myanmar and Gambia are signatories of the 1948 United Nations Genocide Convention. Now, according to estimates, well over 800,000 Rohingyas fled from the Rakhine province during the weeks of brutal violence. Hundreds of villages were completely burnt to the ground and later razed and scrapped. Responding to the crackdown, the United Nations has said that the gang rapes and the mass killings were carried out with an intent of genocide. Meanwhile, Rohingyas who fled to the refugee camps in Bangladesh continue to wait for ICJ's decision on granting them nationality of Myanmar as they pray for justice with bated breath.
Ara nationality ara das jagi fe jumdi andas ara asam majguri to ara das yanda se ICJ kuder sara walti das gya das jasakole বিচার করবি আন্দাজে সই করিব ফোন লাগে আয়ু আশা করি ইতার দাসে সই দাস আর হক লই আর বিচার লই দাস আর দাসে অতরন দাসে দিবাড়ে বদি আন্দাজ আর আসাম মত করি